Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this video, I want to make tutorial about modular again. Ya. Nah, the name is radio application. Yeah, radio app. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, guys. In here, you open first over your Codular. The name is Codular IO and create the application. Yeah, create apps. If done, you create project. You name the name is radio app or radio app. Then the name is radio app PHA pilih bisa. Then the package name radio titik app titik PHA titik.com. Okay, maybe the color, brand color is maybe red, red, in red, the red here, maybe in here. Okay, then the frame color is in maybe in red. Okay, okay, done. Then you click finish. If done. Okay, if done in here, you open first your asset. Dot asset. The first is poster. You have you must be have poster, yeah, poster, and then button, pause and stop. Again, stop, and then there is again wait the background, yeah. Okay, this background, wait, take the background first, this background, and then take the name is play. Okay, if done, you go to first in here, and then the X horizontalnya you change to center. Okay, if done, uh, scrollable you centang and show option on in menu you centang. Then in here you title change the name is radio app. Nah, okay, if done, yeah, okay, if done, you go to this, yeah, this background, and you open in your background. Okay, nah, if done, you take the name is space. The height is 3%. Okay, if done, you take the name is image. Okay, if then take the image, you open poster, yeah, that is poster. You open. The height is maybe 100 and the width is 100. Okay, wait. Or the height is 250 pixel and the width is fill parent. Nah, maybe like this, yeah. Okay, maybe like this, yeah. And then you take the name is space again. The height is 3%. Okay. Or the width maybe wait, yeah. Or the height, yeah. The width automatic and the height is 25%. Be like this, yeah. And then if done, take the name is horizontal arrangement. Horizontal arrangement. Okay, and then you put in here the width is 20%. Okay, if done, in here, if done, yeah, you take the name is space first, yeah, space. Put in here, horizontal, the horizontal is center, yeah, take space, and the width is 3%, and you copy and paste again. Wait, you copy and paste, maybe like this. Okay, if done, you go to button, now you put in here the button, okay, and you go to horizontal again, and this is left. Okay, be like this. And then the button is fill parent, yeah, or wait, okay, fill parent, and then you the name is BTN flight, yeah, flight, flight, flight. Okay, maybe like this, yeah, right, hit play. Then you rename the name is BTN play. Okay, if done, you take button again, put in here. If done, you check the name is BTN is stop, yeah. See, stop. Then you rename the name is BTN stop. Yeah. Okay, if done, in here the width is fill parent, the BTN play, the width is fill parent, same, yeah, like this. Okay, okay, and then you copy screen. I'm sorry. Okay, you add screen is the name is screen lo loading, yeah. Okay, okay. If done, in here horizontal is center and the vertical is center, and then if done, then like this, the show option menu you uncentang, and the show status bar you uncentang, and the title visible you uncentang. Okay, if done, you take the name is Roti, in here, Roti, and then you upload the animation loading. Okay, this, yeah. Okay, if that you open in this, yeah, okay. If done like this, you go to you search again. The name is clock, 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 yeah. And then change nanti to 2000. Okay. Now maybe like this, yeah. Okay, and then you go to blocks. Okay. The first is in the block, yeah. You go to screen loading. Okay, in here, you when screen loading, um, when screen loading, when screen loading in yes, in you go to clock first, yeah. You go to clock, then you take the name is set clock, yeah. This, then you rename the name is set clock timer enable. Okay, and then you take in logic, you take true. Okay, then you go to clock again, then you top this is like when clock dot uh dot timer, yeah, you copy this copy, and then the true you change to false. Then you go to control and open another screen. Nah, okay. And then you change the screen to screen. Oh, okay. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay. If done, you back to screen one or screen utama, and then you take the name is beta and play the dot click. Yeah, dot click. Okay. And then you take the name is you go to designer first, and then uh you take the name is player player. Nah, this ya in here. Then you take the name again is one again is no this notifier notifier. This okay. If done, you back to coding again. Okay, and then you go to set player one dot this score, and then you change, you delete and go to text. Then issue text string. Okay, if done, you copy paste the but yeah the like the link radio Islam. Yeah, you can copy this my what my link like this. Okay, okay. If done, you go to wait. Wait, figure out first. Okay, okay, so there, and then you take the name is player. You go to player first, and this you take the name is called player start. Okay, then you go to notifier one, then you take the name is so alright. Now this, then and then you go to this you copy. Okay, if done, you delete the text and you tulis is radio is playing. Like this. Okay, like this. And then you go to btn stop. Okay, the text ya. The text. Okay. If done, you go to logic. You take true, and then you change false. Okay, and then you copy duplicate. Sorry, wait, duplicate you. If then duplicate, this you change to play, and the false change to true. Okay, if done like this, you copy this. Okay, wait, copy and change, wait and stop. Ah, okay. If done, the first this this you remove. Then in here the all notifier. You change the name is stop. Okay. If done, in here the false you true and the true is false. Okay. Be like this. And then if done, you take the name uh back this screen one back page, and then you go to player and call player start, and then you go to control and you take the name close screen. Okay, close application. Sorry, close application. Okay, be like this. Okay, if done, you copy this and copy delete, and go to screen one again, and then you take this, yeah, one screen one install so, and you go to btn play, btn dot this, you take this, and then you change this to visible. Okay, it's done. You take go to logic and you throw. Ah, okay, maybe like this. Then done. Then you can running in your phone. Okay. Okay, so maybe this all for me. Thank you for your nice attention. Don't forget subscribe and comment. See you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.